The AC Infinity Pro Kit 6-inch provides a comprehensive solution for cooling, ventilating, and managing odors in your growing environment. Its AI-driven controller not only analyzes climate patterns, but also adjusts the inline fan dynamically to prevent unexpected climate spikes. You can connect the controller to a Wi-Fi app, which provides real-time insights, guides, and a chatbot for support from any location. The 6-inch inline fan features a pulse-width modulation-controlled electronically commutated motor, delivering quiet and energy-efficient ventilation with 402 cubic feet per minute airflow and noise levels of 32 decibels. A premium Australian carbon filter with a stylish gunmetal finish effectively captures odors, while the flexible ducting directs stale air away from your grow tent. Manufactured by AC Infinity, this kit is designed specifically for use in grow tents, hydroponics, and indoor gardening, making it an ideal choice for serious gardeners.